Hello, so the part we're going to be drawing here is the spindle. We're going to go into SolidWorks, press File, press New, and open up a new part. So we're going to change the units to inch, pounds and seconds. So we're just taking a look at the part, and we're going to draw half the outline of the part without the radius. So we go into front plane, sketch, and we're going to draw our two center lines intersecting at the origin. So like I said before, just the outline. Try and get it as close as possible to the actual dimensions as you can. So the first dimension we're going to be looking at is this 18 3/4. And we're just going to work our way along the part from now on. So we're going to add 15 3/4. Just going to extend the center line. Next I'm going to add in this angle. Then we have 2 3/16 here. Just keeping it nice and neat. Now we have the width here, and it's a tolerance, so we're going to need to use the figure in between, and that's 0.191. Now next we can look to dimensioning the diameters. So we have 1.375 here. And we have 1.58 for these two lines here. The first thing we're going to do though is we're going to make this line and this line collinear by holding Control and clicking both. Then we're going to add that collinear relation there. Now I'm going to add in that dimension. Now we have this height here. So we're going to use the figure in between, and that's 0.1. So I'm just going to bring this line back. Now we have it fully dimensioned without the radius. So to draw this radius, we have a 3 radius spherical, and you can see that it's coming from this point here. So we're going to draw a construction line from that point, going through that point there, as you can see. So now we'll have an intersection at the center line and this horizontal center line here. So we're going to draw a circle that has a diameter of 6. We're going to make sure it's on the intersection. We can just move it to see if it's actually there, and it's coincident. Yes, it is. So we're going to smart dimension the circle to 6. Now to get this radius, we can press Control on this point and Control on the arc of the circle. And we can add a coincident relation. Now we just need to remove the unwanted entities. So we're going to go into Trim Entities. I'm going to select that's line, and then we're going to tick. And I've just missed that one line there. So I'm going to select Trim Entities again, and we should have our profile there. So now the part is ready to revolve. So I can exit that sketch, and we go into Features, and we're going to revolve around this center line here. And as you can see, I don't need to select the contour as it's already been selected. And now there's just the chamfer that needs to be done. So we're going to hold Control, select this edge. We're going to select this drop down box, click chamfer, and change this dimension to 1/8. We're going to tick. And the spindle should be done now.